Hello viewers and welcome to Daiwame Cars. Today I want to show you an excellent pre-owned car option we have available. This 2009 Maruti Suzuki Swift VDI. This 2009 Maruti Suzuki Swift VDI is in very good condition, having been owned by only 2 previous owners and driven just 97,000 kilometers. It has a full service history record with regular maintenance. On the outside, the grey paintwork shines nicely and the alloy wheels, ORVMs and other exterior fittings are all intact with only minor wear. Inside, the grey upholstery is clean. The controls and plastic trims have no major signs of wear. It has power windows, a Bluetooth music system and automatic climate control. Great features for comfort and convenience. Mechanically also, this 2009 Maruti Suzuki Swift VDI is sound, with a recent service including filters and fluids. The engine starts smoothly and has been checked by our technicians. All 4 tyres are new for safety and ride quality. It comes with a fresh insurance policy too. As you can see, this is a well-maintained, reliable hatchback that has many more years of usable life left in it. For just rupees 3,39,000, it's a steal compared to many other older Swifts in the market. Plus, we offer finance assistance if needed. So, if you're looking for an affordable, practical family car, do check this one out. Give this video a like, drop your queries in the comments, and subscribe to our channel for more such pre-owned offers.